Hello guys, for today's video, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano ang tamang paggawa ng isang single crochet. By the way, ang gamit ko nga po pala na yarn is yung tiny cord, 3mm yung size, at saka yung 3.5mm na hook. So ganito lang, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2. We have 1 loop sa hook. Insert the hook, yarn over, we have 2 loops in the hook, one, two, again, insert the hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Yan, ganyan po tsura ng single crochet. At yun lang po. Bye bye, see you sa next video.